Good morning, it's the 21st of June and this is your daily outlook. The euro rebounded yesterday after comments from Eurogroup Chairman Jean-Claude Juncker eased concerns over the Eurozone debt crisis. Eurozone policymakers gave Greece 2 weeks to accept a new austerity plan with new tax rises and further spending cuts. The Greek Prime Minister George Papandreou appealed for national unity in order to avoid a catastrophic default. Focus now turns to whether the Greek Prime Minister will survive the confidence vote due later today. Against the dollar, the euro rallied to 143.83 from 141.91. The dollar fell yesterday as risk appetite begins to heal. Against Japanese yen, the dollar fell to 80.08 from 80.36. The dollar also fell against the Swiss franc, sliding to 0.8406 from 0.8516. Existing home sales data expected from the US at 1400 GMT. The Australian dollar edged lower after the Reserve Bank of Australia meeting minutes revealed less hawkish comments. The RBA emphasised on the Eurozone debt crisis and a slower global economy rather than the need to control inflation. Also, the central bank said that there is no urgent need to hike interest rates considering Australia's softer economic recent data. Against the dollar, the Aussie slid as low as 105.32 from 106.16, but rising commodity prices helped the Aussie rebound to 105.78. Oil prices gained 3.7%, rising to $94.45 a barrel today from $91.12 trading yesterday. Gold rallied to $1,546.75 an ounce from $1,532.81. And silver also ticks higher to $36.11 an ounce from $35.24. Now let's take a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 142.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 143. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 80.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 80.35. The Aussie-dollar pivot point is at 105.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 105.10. The sterling-dollar pivot point is at 161.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 161.80. And the dollar-CAD pivot point is at 0.9835 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9835. Now let's have a look at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 92.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92.50. The gold pivot point is at 1534 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1534, and the silver pivot point is at 35.25 with a preference to enter into long positions. And today's calendar and market movers. We have the UK public sector net borrowing in May forecast at 15.75 billion. Canada retail sales in April forecast to gain 0.5%, and US existing home sales in May forecast to fall to 4.8 million. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday with S&P 500 trading up 0.54% and the Dow was up 0.63%. European bourses were negative with the FTSE down 0.38%, the DAX was down 0.19% and the CAC was down 0.63%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.98% and the Hang Seng was up 0.32%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.